Welcome to the final lesson of Module 0, the save and recap. We've reached that satisfying moment where we lock everything in, both literally, by writing our configurations to memory, and figuratively, by cementing what this whole module has taught us. Think of it as running write memory on your own learning before we close out and move on. And speaking of writing to memory, here's the classic trap that catches almost every newcomer. When you configure a device, your changes land in the running config, which lives in RAM. It's active instantly, but it's volatile. Kill the power, and it's gone. The startup config sitting in NVRAM is what the device actually reloads at boot. So until you copy one to the other, every brilliant change you just made is one reboot away from disappearing. Saving is refreshingly simple, and you get two flavors of the same command. The old school short form is write memory, which just works and prints a quick OK. The longer version, copy running config startup config, asked you to confirm the destination file name. Just press enter to accept the default. Both do the exact same thing under the hood. And if you ever want proof your save took, show startup config will read back what loads at the next boot. Speaking of show commands, these four are the ones you'll lean on every single day. Show running config dumps the full live configuration. Show IP interface brief gives you a clean table of every interface and its IP status at a glance. Show version tells you the iOS release, uptime, and hardware details. And show startup config reveals what'll load at the next reboot. And here's the comforting part. Show commands are RID only. You can poke around all day and never break a thing. So take a moment and look at how far you've come. You mapped the CCNA exam blueprint, stood up a free lab with Packet Tracer and GNS3, learned to move through the iOS CLI and its modes, built and pinged your very first network, and locked those configs into NVRAM so they survive a reboot. That's your foundation. And every routing, switching, and security topic from here on out builds directly on these 5 lessons. And with that, Module 00 is officially in the books. Next up, we change directories into Module 01, where we dig into network fundamentals, the OSI model, IPv4 and IPv6 addressing, and the subnetting skills every CCNA candidate needs to master. If this lesson helped, hit subscribe on YouTube and grab the full course over at Dargslan.com. I'll see you in Module 01.